Hello there, welcome back to our tutorial series on YouTube, where in today's class we're looking at crucifixion and death of Jesus. Before we go further into this topic, don't forget that this tutorial series is brought to you by the O3 Schools JAMB app, an app that has been carefully designed to help students make adequate preparations for their examination. So if you don't know about the app or you're hearing about it for the first time, head to Play Store, download and check it out. So back to our topic for today, crucifixion and death of Jesus. This is recorded in Matthew chapter 27, Mark chapter 15, Luke chapter 23, and also in John chapter 19. So first, we begin with the crucifixion of Jesus. Now, after Pilate had released Jesus to the multitudes to be crucified, they led him bearing his cross to Golgotha, which means place of a skull in Hebrew. They led Jesus bearing his cross to Golgotha, and then a man named Simon from Cyrene was coming out of the country and passing by. They compelled him to help Jesus bear the cross. Now at Golgotha, Jesus was crucified with two criminals, one on either side of him. And on the cross, it was written, "The King of the Jews," trying to mock him. A king being crucified. So it was written boldly on the cross, "The King of the Jews." And people who passed by actually mocked Jesus, telling him that if he could actually destroy the temple and rebuild it in 3 days, he should save himself. Even the chief priest said if Jesus could come down from the cross, they would believe him that he was actually the Son of God and he would be seated at the right hand of God. The thieves, the two criminals that were crucified with Jesus, one of them also mocked Jesus, asking him to save himself and also save them as well, while the other rebuked him and begged Jesus to remember him in paradise, which Jesus promised him that he would indeed be with him in paradise. Now, the soldiers that also crucified Jesus, they divided his garments among themselves and cast lots to see who would take his tunic. That fulfilled the scriptures in Psalms 22 verse 18. That said, "They divided my garment among themselves, and for my clothing they cast lots." That was it for the crucifixion. Then we'll now look at the death of Jesus. Now, Jesus' mother, her sister, Mary Magdalene, Mary the wife of Clopas, they all stood around the cross where Jesus was crucified. And when he saw his mother, he said to her, "Mother, behold your son." And to one of his disciples that was also present there, he said to him, "Behold your mother." And then Jesus complained of being thirsty. A sponge was dipped in sour wine and extended to him. After drinking it, Jesus said, "It is finished." And he breathed his last. This is the account according to John. For Matthew and Mark, Jesus' last words were, my God, my." This is for John. My God, why have thou forsaken me?" This is what we have for Matthew and Mark. And for Luke's version, Jesus' last words were, "Father, into thy hands I commit my spirit." This is according to Luke. This was Jesus' last words before he breathed his last and he died. Now, when Jesus died, we have that, one, the veil of the temple was torn into two, from top to bottom. We also saw that there was an earthquake and rocks were split. Then graves were opened and many bodies of saints were raised. All this happened immediately Jesus died, and then some of the soldiers or some of the people present there then believed that Jesus was actually a righteous man. Now, after Jesus died, Joseph of Arimathea, he was a wealthy council member and he had secretly become a disciple of Jesus. He was afraid of the Jews, so he became a disciple in secret. After Jesus died, he summoned courage and asked Pilate for the body of Jesus. Pilate granted him permission, and together with Nicodemus, they wrapped Jesus's body in strips of linen and spices according to the customs, and they laid him in a new tomb. They then rolled a large stone over the mouth of the tomb, and the women with Jesus, his mother, Mary Magdalene, they followed them and observed as Jesus was laid in the tomb. Then later, the Pharisees and the scribes came to Pilate and asked that Jesus's tomb be guarded, it should be secured, because Jesus had said before he died that he would rise up on the third day. So they felt that the disciples would come at night to steal Jesus's body and then lie to the people that Jesus had risen again when he had not. So Pilate asked them to do whatever they wanted, and they indeed secured Jesus's tomb. That's it for the crucifixion and death of Jesus. But before we wrap up finally, let's attempt some previously set questions on this topic that I pulled out from the O3 Schools JAMB app. Here we have, according to Luke, Jesus' last words on the cross were, A, woman, behold your son. B, Father, into thy hands I commit my spirit. C, I thirst. D, Father, forgive them, for they know not what they do. The correct answer here is B, Father, into thy hands I commit my spirit. That was Jesus' last words according to the version of Luke. Another question here we have, it is finished. The statement above by Jesus on the cross implies that A, his association with the Jews is finished. B, his association with his disciples is finished. C, his work of redemption is finished. And lastly, the work of the enemy is finished. Yeah, correct answer here is C, his work of redemption is finished. His work here is done. Truly, I say to you, today you will be with me in paradise. Jesus made the statement above to one of the criminals because he, A, respected him, B, praised him, C, rebuked his partner, D, was repentant because the criminal was repentant, and Jesus told him that he would be with him in paradise. Another question here we have, who was forced to carry the cross behind Jesus? A, Peter, B, Joseph of Arimathea, C, Andrew, D, Simon of Cyrene. D, Simon of Cyrene was forced to assist Jesus carry his cross. Now, these are just a few questions that I pulled out from this topic on the O3 Schools JAMB app. You can download yours and you have access to many more, and not just on this topic, but other topics that might interest you. Thank you.